For over easy egg, place the pan on low heat. That is why there's no sizzling when you put the egg in the pan. There shouldn't be any browning along the egg. You should have a nice and runny yolk. For an over medium, set the heat to medium. There should be a little bit of brown on the egg. The yolk should be runny just slightly. Pan on high for an over hard egg. The egg should sizzle as soon as it touches the pan. The brown edges in the egg should tell you that it's about time to flip. The top of the egg should be caramelized. Cook thoroughly until the yolk is completely cooked. And that's how you cook fried eggs. Thank you for watching. Think about your pride.